How to use CLEAR Aid Water Clarifier. In this video, we will use the example of Leslie's CLEAR Aid Water Clarifier. Leslie's CLEAR Aid Water Clarifier combines SMARTzyme technology with an organic clarifier to fix pool problems with ease. Many times, organic waste can build up, leaving pool owners with cloudy water. CLEAR Aid improves the effectiveness of your filter and enables it to get rid of organic waste for good. CLEAR Aid is a powerful pool problem solver that works quickly and efficiently. Routine usage directions. Step 1. Ensure all algae is pre-treated. Pre-treat any existing algae with algaecide 24 hours before using the clarifier. Step 2. Adjust the pH between 7.2 and 7.6. Step 3. Gradually apply the clarifier direct to the pool water. Step 4. Keep the filter turned on until water is clear. Keep the filter turned on whilst the clarifier is working to ensure the broken down particles are filtered out. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa for us.